Meaning of incontestable.
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 Incontestable. The word incontestable means something that is undeniable, indisputable, or cannot be challenged. It refers to a situation or fact that is evident and cannot be argued against. Incontestable results are those that are without doubt or controversy. These results are often backed up by strong evidence and reliable sources, making them unquestionable. This level of certainty gives incontestable results a significant value in fields such as research, science, law, and policymaking. Incontestable results often serve as a basis for decision-making, shaping our understanding of the world around us and driving progress.